one major thing that a lot of people were doing, which was like a major mistake for a lot of people, was that a lot of people were looking for ways to make fast money during that COVID. I'm very sure you would have friends that were looking for how to make fast money during that COVID period. A lot of people were looking for how to make fast money, and then this now led to a lot of Ponzi schemes coming up. A lot of Ponzi schemes, scammed a lot of people during that COVID period. A lot of Ponzi schemes scammed a lot of people. And the reason is because people were, people wanted to make a lot of money like in a very short period of time. When you're seeing like a website that's promising like 50% profit in 1 week, 50% profit in 2 weeks, or 100% profit in 1 month, then you should know that that's a lie. Well, people will not believe that is a lie because they just want to make money very fast. So that was like a major mistake that people really did during that COVID year. A lot of people were after fast money. Nobody was after building something that will last long and maybe become something big in the future. A lot of people were not after that. A lot of people were looking for how to make money very fast. And one of the things that I really realized then was that when I also started my YouTube channel that year, when people come to me, you'll be seeing questions like, please, how can I make this amount of money in like 2 weeks? How can I make like 500K in like 2 weeks, in 1 month? All these kind of questions. And I'm not surprised people asking this kind of questions. It is majorly because people are already exposed to Ponzi schemes, all these schemes. So that's why people come and be asking me that, how can I make 500K in 1 month? When I see this kind of questions, I try to educate them. And if I see that you're not even interested in what I'm telling you, I just ignore you. But that was like the major mistake that a lot of people did. Nobody was focusing on building something that will last long and maybe become big. They were all looking after making it fast. So that was a mistake.